Hey everyone, Wilton here with another dog walk, AI talk. Well guys, we're here. A couple weeks ago it was 80 degrees and now it's freezing. How weather changes. Not only weather, how AI changes, and it's changing fast. So if you are not in the AI space, or you're still trying to figure out what do I need to do with AI, stop thinking and start doing. But you cannot think if you do not know where to go. A lot of people think they know where to go because other people are doing it, and they don't. The best thing to do is take a relaxed, chill pill, talk to somebody in the industry, show them what you are currently doing, and see how AI can help you take your vision to the next level. That's what you need to do. You don't need to be trying to figure out new software to use and applications and training and all that. Let AI do the training for you. All you have to do is figure out what you're currently doing and use that first, and then grow from there. Wilton with another dog walk, AI talk. Have a great day. Stay warm and God bless.